In this tutorial, I want to show an example of a fairly simple website that makes a fortune in affiliate revenue and advertising revenue. In Google, I searched for luxury watch brands for another tutorial that I was making, and I found a perfect example of a very successful website that makes tons of money from affiliate revenue and also from advertising revenue. I would like to share this with you for some inspiration and so that you can get a very good idea and understanding on how to make money with your own website. When I do research for creating new affiliate websites, I always look to see how other websites in that space are operating and what strategies they use. So when I searched for luxury watch brands in Google, this very simple website popped up at the top of the search results, and you can immediately see that the website is quite simple and basic. With Elementor you can make a much nicer looking website, and that is always something I pay attention to, because it's a benefit for me if I know that I can make a better website in terms of user experience compared to the competition that's ranking right now. Another thing I noticed right away is that the website is quite broad in terms of subjects and therefore not specifically about luxury watches. This is also an advantage because you can increase the chances of scoring with your own website if it is specifically about this topic. Because if you have a website about a very specific topic, which is also called a niche, then you can increase your chances of outranking more broad and general websites that are now ranking high on certain keywords that are relevant for your website. Of course, there are also other things to look out for, such as the search volume for relevant keywords and the competition score. In another video, I will explain in all detail where you should be paying attention to when you do keyword research for your website. But if you take a look at this website, then you can see that they are scoring very high in the search results with a simple blog article with only a few lines of text and a couple of images. And you also see that they have very cleverly made a list of no less than 30 expensive watch brands, and only about 5 lines of text have been added per brand. And besides that, they also have added an affiliate link below that refers to Amazon. And if you click on an affiliate link, for example this one for the Audemars Piguet watches, and the page that you will land on Amazon is simply a search result page for the brand that I have clicked the affiliate link for. So to give you an example, I go back to the website and I click on another affiliate link, and after the page has loaded on Amazon, you can see it has a different search result page relevant to the affiliate link that I have just clicked. And that's how they have done it for 30 brands in total on one post. And for good reason. They want to have as many clicks as possible on their buttons with affiliate links, because if you have made a beautiful website, then of course you also want to earn some money with it. And this can mainly be done in 2 different ways, as the site in this example also does. And the first way is affiliate marketing that I showed you just now, and the second way is to earn money from advertising income. And now I will briefly explain how both ways work. Through affiliate marketing, it's possible to earn commissions by promoting products or services for other companies. You can promote products from Amazon, for example. They have their own affiliate program where you can sign up for free. There are also many companies that have an affiliate program, and the information can be usually found on the website under the affiliate or partner program section. In addition, there are also many international affiliate networks with many different advertisers that you can choose from. In a separate video, I will explain in full detail which affiliate networks I use, but it simply comes down to promoting products or services for another company through your website. And you can do this via a unique affiliate link that you can get after you've signed up for an affiliate program. If you place this link on your website and a visitor clicks on it, they will be sent over to the website for the advertiser that you are promoting for. And if the lead ends up actually purchasing something over at the advertiser's website, then you will earn a commission for it. And like I mentioned, registering with affiliate networks is completely free, so therefore there are no costs involved for you to get started with affiliate marketing if you have your own website. Sometimes it happens that a visitor of your website clicks on your affiliate link but doesn't end up purchasing the product or the services right away. And the big advantage of affiliate marketing is that they mostly offer a long measurement duration of like 15 to 30 days on average. So if the visitor makes a purchase within the period of the measurement period, the transaction will be registered and you will also receive the commission. And now I will show you an overview of Amazon's commission rates, and the watches fall into the 4% category, I believe. And you can see that the commissions from Amazon vary from 1% to 10. And this is based on the product category. Another big advantage is that if a visitor clicks on your affiliate link, for example for a Rolex watch, and they end up on the Amazon website, but they don't purchase a Rolex watch, but they do purchase a product from the same category, like another luxury watch brand, then you will still earn the commission because the product belongs to the same category group for the Amazon products. Now, to increase your chances of getting high positions in the search result, it would also be wise if you make an individual post for each brand that is mentioned in this general post. This way you can fully optimize a specific post for that keyword that is relevant to a certain brand. And to make it even more niche and more specific, you can take it a step further, and that's by creating a blog post for a specific model from a watch brand. For example, Rolex have many different models, watches that you can choose from, so you can do some keyword research and check for which models the search volume is the highest, and then you can create specific blog posts related to that specific model. And of course you can place your affiliate link in all the relevant pages and posts, so hopefully you can earn some nice commissions. And now I want to show you how much traffic this simple blog post generates on average. So therefore I open a keyword tool, and I always use SEMrush, which is the #1 keyword tool in the world, and all you have to do is go to the domain overview and paste the link of the specific blog post in there. Then you have to click on search, and now we see that this simple page has a whopping 36.8k visitors on average per month, all through organic search traffic. So that means no advertising is used to generate traffic. And this is an amazing result because this specific post is already a few years old and is still generating a lot of traffic month after month after month. You can see at the beginning of 2020 this was even more than 100k visitors on average. Even if only a very small percentage of them would click on the affiliate links and makes a purchase, and that already would generate a huge amount of affiliate income. Just imagine if someone purchases a luxury watch through your affiliate link, then you would get a 4% commission, and in this product category the prices are very high, which is another big advantage, because if somebody purchases a watch for like $15,000, then you would earn 4% commission, so that comes down to like $600, and that's good money. Now of course most products and services that you can promote are not so expensive, so to earn a couple of hundreds of dollars per commission is quite exceptional, but there are a lot of products and services out there that you can promote and earn nice commissions with. And even if you promote products in a lower price range, you can still make good money if your website generates a lot of traffic. I always try to look for products that have a relatively high order value and that are likely to be often bought online. And there's also another way this website makes a lot of money, and that is through advertising revenue. You can see that different banners are displayed on the page, and every time a visitor clicks on an ad on your website, then you will earn a few cents through Google Adsense. In general, the revenue is about 1 cent to 25 cents per click. So to be clear, a visitor doesn't have to do anything like a purchase or something, but only a click on an ad is enough to earn a few cents. That's why Google AdSense is especially interesting for websites that attract a lot of visitors every month, because a lot of volume is needed to earn nice amounts of money with this. You can easily place the ads on your website, and I will also make a separate video about that, but it's only a matter of putting a code on your website after you have signed up and got approved by the Google AdSense program. And after the code is on your website, the ads will be displayed automatically. You can sign up to Google AdSense for free, so there are no further costs involved. You often see that bloggers in particular do a combination of affiliate marketing and Google AdSense advertisements, so that the website earns money in two ways. And that's also what this website has done in this example I'm showing you. And you really don't have to be the smartest kid in the class to understand that you can make serious money with a relatively simple website once it starts to generate some traffic. And the most beautiful thing about it is that once it starts growing, there's really no limit on how big it can become and the money you will earn. Now don't expect to make hundreds or thousands of dollars after a few days or so, because it takes time and also efforts, because you have to add new content to your website on a regular basis based on SEO if you really want to do this the right way. But I hope to inspire you and show you that it's really possible to make money with your own website. And if you want to know more about this, make sure you follow my channel and watch my other videos. And you will see even a complete beginner can do this just by following the steps I'm showing you. So that was it for this quick tutorial. I will make a lot more in-depth tutorials about these topics soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, I would appreciate that. And also subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.